Hi guys, here's a quick demo of how you can use these AI models for web automation using PowerShellGPT. Computer, show browser, and then find me a flight from London Heathrow to Paris, flying out on the 17th of June and returning on the 25th of August. Okay, this is how it works. When you ask it to find you a flight, and as long as you start by saying, "Find me a flight," you can phrase your request however you want. We send the request as a prompt to the model. But along with that, we also send some example JavaScript of how to fill the details in on the web page. So basically, all the model has to do is copy the code, but change the dates and locations. Included in the example is a little snippet that sends the search results back to the model with a prompt asking it to summarize the results. And voila! You're halfway there to having your own travel agent. As well as summarize the flight details, you could get the model to email them to you, or even book the flight. With this level of AI automation combined with live JavaScript injection into the browser, the possibilities are endless. As soon as the model finishes writing the code, we'll see what appears to be the model just using the web page. I think it looks pretty cool. Here we go. It's setting the departure airport to London Heathrow like we asked. It's set the destination airport as Charles de Gaulle. And now it's moving on to the dates, first the departure date, and then the return date. Now it's searching for flights. Okay, the flights are in. Now you can see it's sent the flight results back to the model, and there you go. The model summarizes the flight details for you, just like that. With PowerShellGPT, it's easy to take control of these models and use them to control your PC. Whether it's writing applications, interacting with web pages, controlling your Windows environment, PowerShellGPT lets you do it all. And what's best is it's local and totally customizable. With PowerShellGPT, you've got your own Windows voice-activated agent that can do almost anything. Download the app today at PowerShellGPT.com. As always, have fun, stay safe.